everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are gonna see how we can rename bulk columns. So one is very easy to do. One column we can just click on here and change it. But what if I have like 500 columns in my database and I would like to rename them? Then we are gonna see how we can do that with the least amount of effort possible. So here we can see that there is a one table called reseller, and it has how many columns? Eight columns it has, and all of them are in capital letters. And I don't want that. I want them to be in the first letter, which can be capital, and then rest of it should be in smaller alphabets. So in here, I want something like this instead of this. Everything is capital. Here, this is the format I want. So to do that, we can see in the applied step window, we are going to perform each of this step and then see um, how we can achieve this together. So this is my table, reseller, and I'm going to add a new step from here. I can click on FX and I'm going to remove this and grab the list of table column names. So the function is table.column names, and I'm going to add a bracket and add main table because that's where we have left off. Click OK. So this is the list of all the column names that I have in my table. Now the important step to not forget is it to convert it into a table. So we can add extra elements to this. Now I have this into the column, and what I want is I want to add column, click on column from examples and from all columns. Once I click that, this window will pop up, and for one example what I'm going to do is add city in the format that I want. So once I click out of this small window, it recognizes that what I'm looking for is this format of this column where everything is here capital and this is the desired format. So I'm just gonna check once briefly everything is looking fine how I want it. I'm gonna click on OK. Once I click on OK, I have two columns now. I don't need this anymore. So I'm just going to right click on capitalize each word and click on remove other columns. Now this is the only column we have. What I want is convert it into a list one more time. This is a step we need to remember that converting it to list is important. So I'm just gonna rename it to main list. Now we have a main table and then main list. I'm going to add one more step where I'm going to call out um, main table, and here I see this is my main table, everything is in capital letters, cool. What I want is I'm gonna rename one column as the way I want it manually. Once I click on enter, I see table.rename columns custom to. From this we have now renamed it to this, which is fine. So let's remove everything after comma, and then there is a function called list.zip. So I'm gonna add that and remove this list. Okay. Add a bracket. What it shows is it's gonna return a list of list by combining items at the same position in multiple lists. Very complex. Even I don't understand it. But what I do is I'm gonna add curly bracket and then add custom to. Why custom to? Because that's where we have left off the lot off. So I'm just gonna add custom to, and then what I want is name of the column. So table dot column names of custom to, custom to, and then comma. I'm going to add main list over here. This. Okay, so there is table dot rename columns custom to, list dot zip table column names custom to, and I'm going to remove this main, and I think we need one more bracket extra. Click OK, and it has changed name to our list as per our list. So we can see that everything now here is the way we desired. If you want to remove underscore, or what if like everything is in small letters, this kind of transformations can be done through this technique. Once everything looks fine, if you want to go ahead and make more changes in the applied steps, once you think that everything looks fine, you can go ahead and close and apply. It's going to save it to Power BI's report, and then we can see it reflecting into visuals. That's gonna be today's video, guys. I was a bit nervous because after many days I have shoot this video. So thank you so much for all the support and comments that I'm receiving. I appreciate your effort. I have received many personal DMs, and I promise that many videos are coming up. Please stay tuned in and keep showing dedication. Sorry, keep showing support, and I'm gonna show my dedication this time. Thank you so much. Have a nice day ahead. Bye.